Good morning, sir. Myself, I'm Sangameshwar Reddy, ECEC section, course name Data Structures. My topic name is Impact of Saturated Vegetation and the Low Aviation Angle Satellite Signals and Imperial Loss Modeling Approach. Introduction. This presentation explores the impact of saturated vegetation on the low aviation angles satellite signals. Will discuss the challenges posed by closing and the importance of empirical loss modeling in understanding the signal degradation and overview of the methodological and the finding. We will also be findings provided. low elevation angle signals and circular for satellite communications. These signals travels through a more atmosphere layer, which can be lead to be increased attenuation. Understanding this, the angle help that assess the signal quality and reliability for various applications. Role of satellite vegetation. Satellite vegetation plays the significant roles in signals attentions and density, and the types of vegetation can be vary as scattering effects, leading to unpredictable signal loss. This variability necessitates a thought of understanding of environmental factors involved. Empirical loss modeling involves using the real wood data to predict the signal loss. This approach helps to qualifiably that impacts the environmental conditions and the satellite signals. We will be discuss the methodologically signals we will use it to data collection and analyze this in this concept. Data collection methodology. Data was collected through a series of field experiments, measurements of signals. Strength we will be taken as a various elevative signals in the different variations types. This approach provide the comprehensive data set for a modeling signals loss due to saturated radiation. Factors influencing signals loss. Service factors influence the signal loss, including the vegetation density, leaf area index, and the frequency of the signal. Each of these factors contributes to a overall attenuation experienced by the low elevation angle signals, necessitation delayed analysis. The modeling requires real significance correlating between the vegetation characteristics, the signals loss. This section provides an overall of the keys, finding the illustrating how different types of variations impact in the single strength received by the situations by the satellites. Or case studies forested areas. A case study is conducted in the forested area should be marked a difference in a signal loss compressed by the open environmentals. The request of emphasized the needed for tailored approaches in a single planning for a regions with a design variation. Implementation of our satellite design. understanding the importance of the variation is circular for the satellite designs. We discussed the implementation of satellite design. Suppose the forest areas, a case of studies contribute the slower market discussion signals loss in compared to the open air environment that required to the emphasized the needed tailored approach to signal planning to the regions with the distributed variation. Implementation for the satellite designs. Understanding impact of saturated variation is circulars for the satellite design and development. This knowledge can inform antenna design and the signal processing the technology to mitigate the effect of environment obscurity. The future research should be focused on improving the model accessories. The future research should be focused on improve the most accessory and explore the effects of modern different vegetation types, accessories, various climates. With this will be and how our understanding of signal propagation in the complex environment. Conclusion. We are going to know conclusion. In the conclusion, saturated vegetation significantly impact the low elevation angle satellite signals that the empirically loss modeling approaching providing the visible insight into this phenomenon, highlighting the importance of considering environmental factors in satellite communication planning. We discuss once again conclusion. In the conclusion, satellite vegetation significant impacts to the low elevation angle modeling low satellite signals the empires the loss modeling approach providing the visible insights into the phenomena highlighting the importance of considering the environment factors in satellite communication planning. Thank you. Thank you, sir.